My name is Thomas LEDFORD, aka. So I'm going to talk about a few things in this video concerning what I do for my mentorship program. What you're watching on the screen now is my 12-week curriculum that I use to train my students with who learning how to prepare individual basic income taxes. And so this is my workflow that I actually take my real-world clients through to learning this awesome skill. And so if you happen to work in the industry already, you know what I'm saying, and you're a preparer and you may or may not have certification or licensing, don't feel bad, I don't either. But my goal is either in 2021, no later than 2022, have my enrolled agent license, which is a professional license. It's a federal license. I'm able to represent clients in all 50 states, and that license will allow me to secure a spot in this industry just in case the IRS decides to make some changes in this industry that's going to block people out from being able to work in this industry. And so we have a professional license that I'm working on getting that'll secure me a spot in the future if that decides to be the case with the IRS trying to clean house inside the industry. But again, I've been in this industry for the last 19 years, the last 13 years as a business owner. And so my primary program is mentorship, where I specialize in helping individuals start their own tax preparation business. And so I've got 4 young ladies I'm working with different parts of the country, and they're looking for a way out. They're looking to learn a skill, start a business, being able to work from home, be able to make more money, get more time and hands-on with their children is the big picture goal for them. And so I'm grateful to be able to work with them and help them work towards accomplishing that goal. And then again, it's all been possible because I found a mentor who was able to help me take my pre-existing tax preparation business and leverage the internet with it, because I didn't know how to do that on my own. And so if you fall into the category like me, you got a pre-existing business, but you're not leveraging the internet, you don't have internet presence that's allowing you to make money on top of the money you may be making in your local area, then you're leaving a whole lot of money on the table. Or if you're an individual that's skillful and knowledgeable and has a passion around something, and you want to know if you can monetize that, turn it into a business model, make money from it, then my mentor has a free workshop coming up that you can check out. I'll leave the link inside the description area where you can click on it, go to it, check out the page, read more, sign up, and be ready to learn what's possible when it comes to taking what's already in you and being able to monetize that and make a business from it and make a true life-changing income from it in the process. And so that's what she has to offer. And she's the one who helped me with my pre-existing business to allow me to get the clients I'm getting now through my YouTube marketing strategy, and all the different things I'm learning from her is the key to my success. I knew I had to find someone who could help me level up, take my skill set to a whole other level, which was outside of what I already do, which is tax preparation. So I had to find someone who could help me monetize and learn how to maneuver through the online internet space, and I found her, and I'm grateful for that. And at the same time, I still have to invest in other people who has products and services and programs designed to help me in my direct industry of tax preparation get better and offer high-level skills and knowledge and training to other individuals who are looking to be helped, who may have a business already. And so what's happening is when it comes to the COVID-19 situation, and we now been shown that we can survive and adapt and adjust to working from home and working from online, which was never nothing new to me because I've been working online way before the pandemic hit. So it's nothing new for me. But for people who are not used to working from home, working from online strategic point, it's a new adjustment for them, and it's one that people see that it can be done and they can still make a living from it, working from the comfort of their own home. And so that's where we shifted off to due to this pandemic situation that's going on right now that don't look like it's going to end no time soon. So if you happen to be in this industry already and you are a tax preparer and you might be working for a nationally known brand or an independent company or a tax accounting firm in general, and you're preparing individual income taxes and you're not making 50, 60, 70, 80, 6 figures in this industry, that's because you see it as a job and not a career, is the problem. And so I knew back in 95 that this was a career industry that could take me to a whole nother level if I took care of it by doing what I need to do inside of this industry. And so when it came to understanding that, I wasn't able to do what I needed to do back then because I had issues going on in my life. But in 2001, I came back into this industry, and I've been there ever since. And so what I do now is specialize in helping new people who want to start their own tax preparation business. And when I say new people, I don't mean people who necessarily new to preparing individual income taxes, but people who new to starting their own tax preparation business. And so I work with clients who already got their credentials set up. They already got their EFIN, they got their PTIN, they got their business credentials, their business account, they got all that set up. But they new to the fact that they don't have the experience needed when it comes to different types of tax returns. So I'm able to help them with that situation during tax season. And so I have a program that's designed to help people who may already be set up with their credentials, with their EFIN and their business accounts and all that, but don't have the necessary experience and knowledge and range of expertise that I might have to assist them with the different types of situations that they go run across inside their business during tax season. And so that's what I help them to do. And so I have different levels of mentorship programs designed based on where you're at in your journey. So I'm working with 4 ladies right now, 3 of them brand new, no skills, no prior training at all. 1 has some prior training. And so I'm helping them learn basic income taxes, plus helping them set up their own tax service by taking them through 4 main steps. The first step is to create a secure account that's going to allow you to put yourself in a situation to be able to put in the e-file provider's application. And once you get through the secure account situation and be able to do that, then we go to the next phase 2, putting in the e-file provider's application. But before we do that, we sit down, go over what your business name is going to be, what your business structure is going to be, and we set up those business credentials first in order to have those to put on the e-file application. And then the last step is the PTIN, which we can do at any time during that process, especially if you already filed a tax return for the current year or the last previous years. Getting the PTIN is the most simplest part of the 4-step process. And once I help them get that done, everybody now at this point just waiting to get their EFIN application approved so we can be able to go buy professional software and work with third-party banks that's going to collect the funds on behalf of the clients that we're going to be working with for the upcoming 2020 season, which starts in January of 2021. So if you're looking to make that happen for yourself, if you're looking to start your own tax business and you might be in the research mode, or like I just talked to another lady from Michigan who's been researching and looking for a way to make additional income, maybe to work from home, spend more time with her children because she has children, and so she want to be able to make money from home because to have to work another job, which means she's got to spend more time away from home than she already is something she's not looking to do. So I have women who are looking to work from home, make a decent living in the process without having to go outside the home for additional income. And so that's one of the main motives for a lot of people when it comes to starting their own tax preparation business. But if you're already in the industry and you're not making that type of income I mentioned already, then you're not seeing it as a job. It's just a career to you. It's not a career to you yet. Then you need to change your mind shift to see it as a career that you need to get all in with. You need to invest in. You need to make it happen for yourself by learning this skill, getting good at this skill, getting more knowledgeable at this skill, and taking yourself to a whole nother level by investing in someone else's program that's going to allow you to get more skillful, more knowledgeable in a certain area that's going to allow you to help your ideal client get better with their overall tax preparation needs. And so what I'm grateful about is the mentor I have who allowed me to take my pre-existing business and bring it to the internet in such a way to be able to get clients through my mentorship program is awesome. Allow me to pick up new tax preparation clients is awesome. And the shift I made as well is I specialize in working with self-employed and small business owners who I'm coming up with a program in October that's going to be designed to help small business owners and self-employed business owners maximize their profits through tax deduction strategies that's legit through the IRS tax codes and publications and laws that's already on the books. And so that's my up-and-coming program that's designed to work with self-employed and small business owners, which will be launched in October of this year, 31st. And so look out for that. I'll be doing more videos talking about that, getting you ready for that, doing some trainings on that and what that looks like and what it's going to take, what it's going to cost. for you to be a part of that program. And so again, if you don't have an internet presence and you have a pre-existing business, then you're leaving a whole lot of money on the table. Two, if you happen to be an individual who, and I'm gonna give you an example of a young lady I know, she's good at helping people with resumes, interviews, what to wear, and how to basically get a job when it's all said and done, and she does that for free. And someone told her that she was helping with, there's a lady across town who charges for the same thing you do for free. So that's an example of taking what you already know, what you already been doing, and you're good at doing, and you like doing because you like helping people, that you can monetize and make money from it. And I told her, if you ever lost your primary job, then this will be the next thing you can do to make money. It's something you already know about, you're already skillful in, you're knowledgeable about, and you like helping people. And so that's going to be a good fit for the next income stream that you'll be looking to make if you would happen to lose your job somehow due to this COVID-19 situation. So that's an example of that. Another example is a young lady I know. She teaches sewing. She do custom clothing. She used to work for a school teaching kids how to sew. And I told her, hey, we can help you to leverage that, bring you online, help you with doing some videos that's going to bring some awareness to who you are and what you're about, help you to brand yourself, help you to showcase your skills, your knowledge, and your talent in this area. That's going to allow you to find people who's going to connect with you, who want to learn how to sew. And so I mentioned that to her. I haven't heard from her since then, but it's okay. But that's just another example of working with people who already got knowledge and skills inside of them that they can leverage the internet with. And so that's what I'm talking about with that. There's a free workshop coming up through my mentor that's hosting that. And I'm going to leave a link inside the description area that's going to take you to a page where you can read more about it, register, and be ready on that day to come in, people, pencil and paper in hand, ready to learn and be educated on what's possible, on how you can take what's already in you and leverage that and turn it into a business model that's going to allow you to generate significant income for you and your family. And another thing is that if you might not looking to start your own tax preparation business, but you just want to learn how to prepare individual income taxes for whatever the reason is, then I have a tax preparation course that I'm already launched out, and it's enrollment closed August 31st. I'm only taking 10 students for that program. And so if that sounds like something you're interested in, definitely reach out to me. My contact information will be inside the description of the video, as always. Well, you can reach out to me and talk to me, and I can educate you and show you what that's going to look like for you if you're looking to start learning tax preparation skills and even look to making some money, and showing you the big picture of why you want to transition from being a business owner opposed to an employee. The advantages of the tax system is designed to benefit businesses and not individual taxpayers. And so that's one of the advantages of having your own business, is that the tax system is designed to work with you and help you benefit better. And on top of that, when it comes to the curriculum that you're looking at on the screen, this is my actual curriculum that I take my real world clients through to help them learn tax preparation. 12 weeks is the minimum I can do, because with all the information we have to cover and for you to learn and grasp, 12 weeks is the minimum I can do without feeling like I'm cheating you and playing myself. And so that's why I have a 12-week course. 8 weeks might sound better, 6 weeks might sound sweeter, but with the information we have to cover, time is a key factor, and 12 weeks is the best I can do when it comes to that, twice a week. And so my online version of the tax preparation course is where I deliver the training material through your email. You have access to an online platform where you'll get video trainings there, as well as I'll be emailing you videos, trainings of the current tax preparation course that we're going through at this moment. And so August 31st, the enrollment closed. We're only taking 10. So if I get 10 before then you will also see me promoting the tax preparation course at all. It'll be strictly my mentorship course, which is designed to help people start their own tax business. And that's the only way you'll be able to get access to the tax preparation course at that point. So again, for people who are not leveraging the internet with their pre-existing business, you're leaving a whole lot of money on the table, and I ain't mad at you. And I'll see you in my next video.